Hi there, I'm gonna show in this video tutorial how to change the menu matrix config from a Nokia 2354G. Changing the menu matrix refers at adding or deleting items from the main menu. So in order to do this, I am going to use Furious Gold Box and SPD service tool latest version. So let's power off our device. Now on the software we go to the debug mode, we choose our model, and from here we select menu matrix config. On the menu below we select our model, Nokia 2354G 2024, and from here we select the items that we wish to remain in the menu. So I'm going to select snake, contacts, camera, and torch, for example, but you can choose any configuration you wish for. You can also enable all of them. So I'm pressing done and connect on the software. Once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to insert the USB cable in the powered off device. So that's all. Also, in order to complete this operation, we need to reset it using the code shown there. So let's do the reset. Okay, and now we simply wait. So as you can see, we have here the items we selected, so contacts, camera, snake, and torch. So that's all. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.